Yes, please, we can start now.
Jai Hind and welcome to the mock Inter-DPS school quiz. We welcome our respected Gautam sir, Honorable Siddharth sir, and the esteemed principals, Mr. Mukesh Charlotte, DPS Varanasi, Ms. Anupama Sagdev, Principal DPS Nagpur, and Dr. Pushpi Dutt, Principal DPS Nasik. A warm and sincere welcome to our quiz master, Ms. Veena Chheda. Today, we all are here to evaluate and enrich our knowledge pertaining to history, which comprises an interesting quiz woven around India from 1857 to 2020.
Quizzes are important to reinvent the education system and give students a break from traditional classroom learning. There is a dire need to revive the quiz culture in schools and colleges, and technology can act as a facilitator by bringing innovation to quizzes and ensuring active participation among students even in these difficult times. Before I hand over the event to our quiz master, it is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome Ms. Veena Chheda. Ma'am Mary requires an introduction though.
She is a dietitian by profession and the proud owner of Veena Chheda Amrit Center. She has been empowering healthcare and providers and her clients towards a holistic nutrition and healthy lifestyle for the last 20 years. Ma'am is also an honorary dietitian to His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra. She has also worked with various reputed hospitals and institutions. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello and welcome. Welcome to the most awaiting quiz of Delhi Public School, wherein we have good, diligent, persevering and proficient participants from the DPS Varanasi, that is Team Swaraj, DPS Nagpur, that is Team Swadesh, and DPS Nashik, that is Team Swatantra. Welcome to all of you, and may I now request all the contestants to please introduce themselves.
Team Swaraj, please introduce yourself.
I think voice is lost.
DPS Varanasi, that is Team Swaraj, will introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Mani Tripathi. I am a student of class 10th of Delhi Public School Varanasi.
Good, welcome.
Very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Riya Nikhil Zawar and I am from DPS Varanasi, Team Swaraj.
Good, now we move on to Team Swadesh.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shantanu Yadav and I study in class 9 in DPS Lava.
My name is Shravan Zohar and I am from Team Swadesh.
Welcome to the quiz. Now we move on to DPS Nashik, that is Team Swatantra.
Jai Hind everybody, I am Akar Gurve from DPS Nashik. So basically I am a successful living organism from the past 15 years of life and I aim to become an architect. So let's see if the 15 years accumulated, if the knowledge accumulated in the 15 years come to worth and I win the quiz. So let the best win. Thank you so much.
Good introduction. All the best contestants. And now without wasting much time, we start our quiz. Let's commence our quiz. Can we have the guidelines? Okay, I'll just read out the guidelines. It is mandatory to have the cameras on and render mute. Unmute yourself only when you are responding to the question. Okay. No negative marking shall be done and the decision of the scorekeeper will be final. If a parent prompts the child with the answer, then the team will be disqualified. Maximum 30 seconds time will be given to answer your question. Next, please. It is mandatory to have the camera on. This has already been said.
Yeah. Next slide, ma'am.
Okay, so we start with the visual round, round 1, wherein we have to identify the picture. And here we start with Team Swaraj, wherein first let us understand the rules. Rules of this round are 2 questions each for each team. Each correct answer will be awarded 5 points. The question will be passed on to the next team, and 5 bonus points will be given to the correct answer for that particular team who is answering it. Right? Should we start?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We have now the question shooting for Team Swaraj. You have to identify the person. Passing the question to Team Swaraj. Swadesh. The question is passed on to Team Swadesh. No one is able to answer this?
Next team.
Please pass.
Okay. So we pass on to Team Swatantra. Come on, boys. Boys and girls.
Time up, ma'am.
No one?
I'm Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, I suppose.
But the time is up, dear.
It
So we
got
pass
time
on-
to recollect, ma'am.
Sorry?
It
No,
got some time to
there was
recollect
sufficient,
it.
there was sufficient time given. We move on to the next question, please. This question is for Team Swadesh. Please identify the person. Team Swadesh, you have 30 seconds.
I'm pass.
Passing the question to Team Swatantra.
Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, ma'am.
Perfect. Very good. So now you get a bonus point for this, and we start the second question, the next question with Team Swatantra itself. Passing the question to Team Swaraj. Team Swadesh. Okay, passing the question. We should have the next question now. The next question on screen. Dear all, don't be nervous. Just take proper presence of mind. The answers are very easy. This question is for Team Swaraj. Team Swaraj. I'm passing on the question to Team Swadesh. Team Swatantra.
Ma'am, it's the elephant stable at Hampi.
Are you from which group?
Swatantra, ma'am.
Swatantra, you get the right thing. So the next question. This again is for Team Swadesh. Team Swadesh, your time is up. Team Swaraj. Sorry, Team Swatantra. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, the Rajgarh Fort.
Rajgarh Fort. Sorry, this is the Raigad Fort. So the next question. The next question to Team Swaraj.
It's Team Swatantra, ma'am.
Swatantra?
Yeah.
Okay. Team Swatantra.
Ma'am, it's the Kerala mural painting.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let me have the scoreboard, please. Okay, good. All are in the balance of 5, but you can do well. Just be calm. You will be doing fine. We will move on to the next one.
I
The
need
next
to
round
announce
is
the
the
score. I need to announce the score. The score
Yeah.
of first round are Team Swaraj is at 0 point, Team Swadesh is yet at 0 point, and Team Swatantra is at 15 points. So congratulations.
we move on to the next round. That is the categories round. Rules of this round are 6 topics will be displayed on the screen. Team Swadesh will select any one topic out of the 6 given topics. Then will be the turn of Team Swatantra to select one topic, and then the remaining other team, that is Team Swaraj. Each team will get 2 questions. Each correct answer will be awarded 5 points. Here, the question will not be passed on to the next team. Are we ready? Yes. So now we start with Team Swadesh. Swadesh, this is the time to choose your topic, please.
And we choose Earth.
Sorry, Earth.
Earth.
Okay, fine. So can we have the questions for topic Earth, please? Okay. India's first solar power run micro irrigation project under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchaya Yojana, that is PMKSY, has been recently launched in which state? Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, or Andhra Pradesh? Thirty seconds. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, or Andhra Pradesh?
Uttar Pradesh.
Sorry, Haryana that was. We move on to the next question. Okay. Which of the following region is famous for the lion-tailed macaque? The Eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh, the Western Ghats of Kerala, Shivalik Hills of North India, or the hills of Northeast India? Which of the following region is famous for the lion-tailed macaque?
The Western Ghats of Kerala.
Western Ghats of Kerala is the right answer. Okay, now we move on to the next team, that is your team Swadesh will get the chance to choose the topic. Sorry, team Swatantra will get the chance to choose the topic. I'm very sorry.
And we go for inventions.
Inventions. Okay, fine. Can we have the questions for inventions, please? Yes. The USB was developed and defined by an Indian American computer architect named Shiva
Ajay Bhatt.
Ayatollah. Sorry?
It's Ajay Bhatt, ma'am.
Perfect. Very good. The next question, please. Name the first Indian supercomputer invented by Mr. Vijay Bhatkar. Param 7000, Param 8000, Param 9000, or Param 10,000?
Param 8000, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Questions for Team Swaraj. You have to select one topic, please.
Ma'am,
We would take
space.
space.
Space? Okay, fine. Can we have the questions for the topic space? You have to identify the spacecraft. This is Boeing 737, Sukhoi 30 MKI, HAL Tejas, or C-17 Globemaster.
Ma'am, Sukhoi 30 MKI.
Very good. Very good. Next question, please. Who was the mission director of Mangalayan? Mr. M. Annadurai, Ritu Karidhal, V. Kesava Raju, or K. Radhakrishnan? Easy, recent. Closing this question.
Ma'am, K. Radhakrishnan.
Sorry, wrong answer. The right answer is V. Kesava Raju. Okay, now we move on to team Swadesh. Team Swadesh, select your topic.
Round is over. Actually, I need to announce the score. The score of second round are Team Swaraj has bagged 5 points, Team Swadesh has scored 5 points, and Team Swatantra has scored 10 points. So here Team Swatantra is leading. So congratulations, Team Swatantra.
Very good. Congratulations. We move on to round 3. Round 3 is the audio round. Rules of this round. Listen to the audio clip carefully and identify 2 questions for each team. Each correct answer will be awarded 5 points. Questions will not be passed to the next team. Okay? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. We have the first audio clip for Team Swatantra.
As people जिनको आप रिस्पेक्ट देना चाह रहे हैं, जिनको देख के आपको खुशी मिल रही है, जिनसे आप कुछ इंस्पिरेशन ले रहे हैं, इन सब में एक चीज बहुत कॉमन थी और वो मैं सच्ची कहती हूँ मेरे में भी थी छोटे होते, और वो फिर एक हैबिट बन गई जो अभी तक भगवान की दया से जीवित है.
It's Kiran Bedi ji.
Perfect. Perfect. The next audio clip for Team Swaraj, please.
और जब मेरी जान जाएगी तो मैं कह सकती हूँ कि एक एक खून का खतरा जितना मेरा है वो एक एक खून एक भारत को जीवित करेगा.
Team Swaraj.
Ma'am, Indira Gandhi.
Perfect. Next audio clip for Team Swadesh.
प्लासी की लड़ाई में जितने लोग मैदान में लड़ रहे थे उससे ज्यादा लोग मैदान के बाहर खड़े होकर तमाशा देख रहे थे, लड़ाई का परिणाम सुनने की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे. देश के भाग्य का निर्णय होने जा रहा था, मगर उस निर्णय में सारा देश शामिल नहीं था.
I guess Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Perfect. Perfect. The next one. This is for Team Swatantra.
सभापति जी, आज का विश्व अनेक संकटों से ग्रस्त है. हिंसा की घटनाएं निरंतर बढ़ रही हैं. आतंकवादी विचारधारा आग की तरह फैल रही है. जलवायु परिवर्तन की चुनौती हमारे सामने मुंह बाए खड़ी है. समुद्री सुरक्षा पर प्रश्न चिन्ह लगा हुआ है. विभिन्न कारणों से अपने देशों से बड़ी संख्या में लोगों का पलायन.
Miss Sushma Swaraj.
Perfect. Very good. Very good, Team Swatantra. Now we move on to next audio clip, which is for Team Swaraj.
Well, before Commonwealth Games, I trained very hard, and I was full confidence, and obviously BFI, my coach and the staff, ministry, we are together actually.
Time up. Team Swadesh, the next audio clip will be for you.
लोग हमेशा इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, मगर बच्चों आप ये बात सुन के हैरान होंगे कि मैंने दुनिया के अंदर 80 इंटरनेशनल रेसेस दौड़ी हैं और जहां भी इंटरव्यू दिया है वो हिंदी में दिया है। जब दूसरी दुनिया के लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं तो मैं हर जगह पे ये कहता हूँ कि हमें हिंदी बोलने के अंदर संकोच नहीं होना चाहिए।
Rajnath Singh.
Sorry, the right answer is Milkha Singh. Can we have the scoreboards, please?
Yeah, it's time to know the score of third round. In third round, Team Swaraj has scored 5 points, Team Swadesh has scored 5 points, and Team Swatantra has scored 10 points. Congratulations, Team
Very good, very good. Now we move on to the rapid fire round. That is the speed master round or the rapid fire round. The rules. Each team has to answer maximum questions in a minute. The team members have to say pass if they do not know the right answer. Each correct answer will be awarded 5 points. There will be no negative marking for the incorrect answer. So now we start with Team Swaraj. Your time will start now. Which heritage site is famous for its Chalukya site of architecture? Buland Darwaza, Rani Ki Vav or Patadakai?
Rani Ki Vav.
Wrong. The time of independence, the president of INC was Mahatma Gandhi, J.B. Kriplani or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sorry, J.B. Kriplani. Which ministry initiated the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? The Ministry of Environment and Forest, the Urban Development and Housing, Drinking Water and Sanitization. Asking the question, in which state of the cities Kumbh Mela is not held, whether it is Allahabad, Kanpur or Nasik?
Kanpur.
Kanpur, right. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from the recovered COVID-19 patient. I'm continuing with this question because I had already started with question. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from a recovered COVID-19 patient to a COVID patient in a critical condition. Plasma therapy, Remdesivir or hydroxychloroquine?
Plasma therapy.
Yes. Okay, now we move on to the rapid fire round for Team Swadesh. Yes. Which among the following is India's deepest landlocked and protected port? Visakhapatnam, Chennai or Paradip?
Visakhapatnam.
Perfect. Who was elected as the first Chief Minister of Telangana? K.T. Ramarao, K. Srihari or KCR?
K.P. Ramarao.
Oh yes. Which of the rivers in India is known as Padma as it enters Bangladesh? Brahmaputra, Ganga or Mahanadi?
Brahmaputra.
Ganga is the right answer. Which railway station is used for immigration and customs of the passengers who travel on the Thar Express between Pakistan and India? The Jalal Mari, the Lal Peer or the 0 point?
The 0 point.
Perfect. How many chapters are there in the Bhagavad Gita? 18, 22 or 28?
22. 28.
Wrong answer. Now we move on to the next rapid fire round, which is for Team Swatantra. Okay. Which Indian physicist invented the optical fiber? Narendra Singh Kapavi, Subhash Chandra Bose or C.V. Raman?
Narendra Singh Tapavi, ma'am.
Perfect. Out of these books, which is not written by Jawaharlal Nehru? Dharma or Dharmanayak, Meri Kahani, Mai or Mera Dharma?
Dharma or Dharmanayak.
Sorry, the wrong answer. The answer is Mai or Mera Dharma. Where is world's third largest hypersonic wind tunnel? Thrissur, Trichy, Thiruvananthapuram.
It's Thrissur.
Sorry. Which renowned musician sung the famous Raghupati Raghav Rajaram during the Dandi March? M.S. Subbalakshmi, Vishnu Digambar Paluskar or Ilaya Raja?
Vishnu Digambar Paluskar.
Perfect. So now we should go have a look at the scoreboards.
Before going to the score, I need to clear that team, that is Team Swadesh. The answer is this: who has elected as the first chief minister? The answer is KC Rao. Okay. So the final score, the score of third round here, Team Swaraj has scored 10 points. Team Swadesh has scored 10 points, and Team Swatantra also has scored 10 points. So congratulations to all the teams.
Good. Now is the time for the most competitive and the game-changing round, that is the Chanakya Niti round. As the name suggests, this round will change the entire scene of the game, right? So let us have a look at the rules. Each team will get 3 questions with different difficulty levels or clues. The first question carries 20 points, second 10 points, third question 5 points. If the team answers all the 3 questions correctly, then that team will get 10 bonus points. Okay? So let's begin with Team Pradesh. Okay, let me have the questions, please. Constructed in 1969 and dedicated to the soldiers of Indian National Army, in which city is INA Marty's Memorial Complex located? In which city is INA Marty's Memorial Complex located? Moving on to the next question.
Hyderabad.
Sorry?
Hyderabad.
Sorry, wrong. Who has been anointed the first missile woman of India? The third question. The third question, please. Under the recommendation of which commission the states Punjab and Haryana were formed? Closing this round for Team Swadesh, we move on to Team Swatantra. T.H. Vinayak, the first question, T.H. Vinayakaran, a legendary Grammy Award winner, plays Carnatic music with which instrument?
Ghatam.
Very good. Next question. The 2 union territories, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, came into existence on the 144th birth anniversary of Dash, who is credited for the merger of 560 princely states into the Union of India.
Ma'am, it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good. Next question. Name the border guarding force of India-China border.
Ma'am, it is Indo-Tibetan Border Police.
Very good, Team Swatantra. Now is the round for Team Swaraj. Okay. Question 1 for Team Swaraj. In which case the Supreme Court of India introduced the concept of the basic structure and the constitution? In which case the Supreme Court of India introduced the concept of the basic structure of the constitution? Moving on to the next question. Who wrote सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है?
Chandrasekhar Azad.
Sorry? Chandrasekhar Azad, is that what I heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, the right answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. Next question. When did INC adopt a resolution demanding complete independence for the first time? Closing the round for Team Swaraj. The scores, please.
It's time to know the score of 5th round. Here, I need to mention that Team Swatantra has scored all 3 correct answers for this particular round. So they have scored 10 bonus points.
Very good, congratulations.
The score of 5th round here, Team Swaraj has scored 0 points. Team Swadesh, Team Swadesh has scored 0 points and Team Swatantra has scored 45 points in 5th round. So congratulations, team.
Very good. I guess we now need to have the final scores. You're doing good, but you need to be a little more calm. Wow, so we see here there's a tie for the second position. Team Swaraj final score is 20. Team Swadesh final score 20. Team Swatantra is the clear winner at points 90 and first position. Congratulations, Team Swatantra.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now Team Swaraj and Swadesh, are you ready for the tiebreaker round?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all the best. Be calm. Don't be tensed. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am starting. The question is, whoever answers first will get the marks, and that would be the deciding round, right? Okay, the question is, which state recently celebrated the Statehood Day on the 2nd of June? The options are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana.
Telangana.
Perfect. Which team is this?
Swaraj.
Swaraj team. So Swaraj team is the winner.
Yeah, Swaraj team has is at second position.
Yes, in the second position. In the tiebreaker team, Swaraj team is the winner.
Yeah. Congratulations to all the teams.
We are having the final scoreboard further.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
No, na? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good job done. Jagruti, are you continuing?
Yeah. Over to you, Sauni.
Hearty congratulations to the winning team. The quiz competition conducted today was an ideal display of knowledge, awareness, time management, and excellent comradeship. All the 3 teams truly deserve a huge round of applause for this wonderful performance. On this note, I, on the behalf of DPS Nashik, would like to express my sincere thanks to the honorable principals of the 3 schools for pioneering this event, which in true sense is a step towards enabling the students to make a mark for themselves in this competitive world.
I would also like to extend gratitude to the esteemed teaching faculty of the sister schools DPS Varanasi and DPS Lava Nagpur for their valuable contribution and support in making this event an informative and in true spirit a challenging feat. Saying so, I would like to sign off an inspiring quote by our former president APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Thank you. Jai Hind.
All the best to all the teams for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you very much.
God bless.